For the longest time, we have accepted our centralized institutions and economic ecosystem as good enough. Unfortunately, some recent economic crises and the pandemic have exposed the harsh reality. These failures have led to countless business failures, rising income inequality, and a compelling need to change this accepted economic structure. Trust is a pillar of the world economy, but what happens when it's compromised?
Welcome to Blockchain Presence, a smart contract oracle that uses on-chain authentication through Ethereum. We're connecting data providers directly with users who need it, all in one reliable, inexpensive, and convenient place.
Smart contracts allow people to execute agreements on these decentralized networks. Smart contracts provide low-cost, secure, efficient, and accurate transfers without the need for intermediaries to confirm them. These are powerful engines that can substitute inefficient processes in our day-to-day life, and they need gas to run. Blockchain provides security and trust for these contracts, but lacks the input data needed to build and execute smart contracts because of its isolation from the web. That's where oracles come in.
Data senders to our platform undergo a registration process that provides them private encryption while also storing a public sender key on the Ethereum blockchain. Once the public key is stored on-chain, it cannot be altered or manipulated by any party with possibly malicious intent. This is good news for senders and receivers of data, as only these verified and secure providers get the opportunity to participate.
By using on-chain authentication, you can be sure that the data is efficiently transferred directly from trusted sources without the need for layers of approvals. An example of this is travel insurance. If a client's train is delayed, an insurance contract would pay out the policy. Verifying this data is inefficient and may require multiple costly levels of authentication. With blockchain presence-powered smart contracts, this process is streamlined. Train data can be quickly and automatically verified, saving time and cost for insurance providers.
Founded at the University of Zurich, we're located right in the middle of the blockchain ecosystem between Crypto Valley in Zug and the Bank of International Settlements in Basel. Our team is talented and diverse group of economics, finance, and computer science professionals and students collaborating to provide safe, simple, and inexpensive smart contract capabilities. Through Blockchain Presence, you can browse through a diverse library of reliable contract commitments that supply data for financial events, exchange rates, insurance events, and endless other use cases.
Blockchain Presence is revolutionizing data exchange and smart contract design in an all-in-one Oracle platform. Every great network is built on trust, and Blockchain Presence is making it easier than ever.
To learn about how you can use smart contracts or become a data provider, go and visit blockchainpresence.net or reach out to us through the links below.
Remember, the best ideas aren't the ones that are created for today, they're the ones that are built for tomorrow.